welcome to today's video. Today we've come to a place that's very famous for one particular thing, and that's pottery. We've come to Delft. Delft is much more of a traditional Netherlands city. Canals everywhere, the houses that are slim. Fantastic little place to visit. Traditionally, they used to put on their houses something to signify what they're selling. Now obviously that's not common now, because obviously you're having to put something up, but this one, being a menswear shop, has put a shirt up. Main form of transport in the Netherlands, yes, cars, but there are more people that own bikes than cars, so they take priority everywhere. But because space is limited, in Amsterdam they have a lot of houseboats. Here they haven't got the same issues, because Amsterdam was built on stilts. I'm not sure about this place, but you notice the buildings are tending to be a little bit wider than the ones in Amsterdam, so maybe not as bad. As I say, everybody bikes, and I must admit I do like those that have got a little bucket at the front for the kids to sit in, as opposed to how we normally have them with a seat on. Works much better, I think. But it's just a beautifully architectural place. Now the difference between this and Rotterdam is Rotterdam was devastated in World War II. This wasn't, so a lot of the buildings are old. Some of the buildings have obviously got an awful lot of history behind them. Just like every town, you've got your normal shopping areas, but again, bikes take precedence. So although you do see cars, there's bikes everywhere. And yes, you've got McDonald's, you've got Specsavers, you've got Vodafone, you've got lots of the shops you'll recognise, but obviously more than you won't. And the major difference with here is the fact it's open air, relaxed, cycling, tables out to eat, and you're right next to a canal. So we've just been on a Delft cruise. Very great explanation about things. Took about 50 minutes. I've included the clip you'll see in a second. But Delft, which I assume was to do mainly with the pottery, that has quite a bit of a history of beers, butter, and also, on top of that, slave trade and East India trading with regard to spices. So the West Indian trade was slavery, and the East Indian was spices. Interesting. But if you're coming here, you just put it in Google and it'll come up. Very easy to find. Rondvaart Delft Guided Tours. Right, it's starting to rain, We've spent the day in Delft and it's time to go home. Great place for a day trip. Have a go on the canal boats and enjoy yourself. And I'll see you on the next one if I don't get drowned first. Bye for now.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and activate notifications.